So instead of engaging in fighting and drama, we need to be able to come together. I would suggest a truth commission. I would suggest a people's congress. When magkaharap tayo, this is my position, you disagree with me, but we need to be able to resolve these things and we need to be able to say, this is the way to go. Magkaisa tayo. I believe niyuyugyug ang bayan natin, hindi para sirain tayo, kundi para magkaroon tayo ng direksyon. Magkaisa tayo at sabihin natin sa sarili natin, sige, masama talaga loob ko, pinapatawad kita. And maybe, I'm not saying that by having a truth commission, wala na talagang makakalusot. You know, after when we determine that there have been those who really committed crime, then they can be criminally prosecuted. But at the end of the day, all sides must be heard, and so that we can lead to a resolution and that we can be one. You know, I believe in the Philippine, may tawag at tadhana ang bayang Pilipinas. Huwag po natin sayangin. Pwede pong may mangyari. At kailangan po, kailangan din po tumayo na tayo, lalo na po yung may edad na. Let us help the younger ones to raise up. And let us huwag po tayong sumali sa drama kasi the drama will just extend our problems. But if we begin to think in terms of makatarungan, mapayapa at maligayang bayan, a righteous, peaceful, and a joyful nation,